Electrophoresis. This is one of the another technique named who separate the macromolecules by this technique. This is called as the electrophoresis. Electrophoresis, chromatography, these all are the separated factor of the macromolecules by this technique. Okay, let us focus on to the electrophoresis and their functions, what is their mechanism, what is their size, shape, charge and everything, how it's work, how its mechanism, and what is the application, what are the steps we are observe in this video. Okay, let us focus. First of all, what is called as electrophoresis? The small terminology we have to study by electrophoresis definition. It describes migrations of charged particles or molecules under the influence of the electric field, means ki which is the charge, means ki positive and the negative charge particles which are migrated by the inner electrical field, and separations into the 2D gel factor. This is called as the electrophoresis. But in this manner, we are only and only separate the protein molecules, not another macromolecules. We are separated by this technique. Only and only protein molecules would be going to be separate by this technique. Mixture of the protein which are going to be separate by this electrophoresis technique. Next one, purpose for carrying out electrophoresis. What are the purpose for carrying out this electrophoresis? To determine the numbers, the amounts and mobility of components in a given sample, or to separate them, means ki determination, determine means ki to identify numbers, amounts and mobility, means ki positive to negativity, which is called as the movement or the mobility. Components which is given into the sample, means ki what are the components which are given by the mixture of the sample of the protein. This is most important, protein factor. To obtain information about the electrical double layer surrounding the particles, means ki which are obtain information for through the electrical double layer surrounding the particles, means ki the particles around the positive and the negative which are surrounded by this layer. To determine the molecular weight of the proteins and the DNA sequencing, means ki to determine the molecular weight of the protein and the DNA sequencing. What is called as DNA sequencing? We are already discussed in previous video. DNA sequencing, which is the specific bonding patterns, means ki G to C, A to T, how it's be going to be binded over there, protein and their structures which are combined with each other and making down of some strand. This is called as the DNA sequencing, means ki genomic information. This is called as the DNA sequencing factor. To determine the molecular weight of the protein, this is molecular weight of the protein, and DNA sequencing, which is the molecular weight of the protein, weight of the protein, which are the molecular weight of the protein factor. Factors affecting the electrophoretic mobility. What are the factors which are responsible for the mobility, means ki movement, and then after it is going to be separated by the electrophoretic field, means ki electrical field, into the electrical field. First one, a charge. This is most important. Higher the charge, greater the electrophoretic mobility. This is most important. How to be separated the particles, means ki of the protein particles into the 2D gel electrophoresis. So let's talk about them. Charge. Higher the number of the protein, means ki the molecular weight is higher, the separation is very nearby to the phase of the loading phase, means ki stationary phase, right? Next one, size. Bigger the molecule, greater the frictional and electrostatic force accepted on it by the medium, means ki the bigger molecules. What is called as bigger? In the sense of we are taking molecular weight as high, the separations is very nearby to the well, where the sample, means ki the protein which are going to be separated into the portion, stationary phase. This is called as the well. Okay. Consequently, consequently, the larger particles have smaller electrophoretic mobility compared to the smaller particles, means ki particles have the smaller electrophoretic mobility compared to the smaller particles. Next one, shape. Rounded counters indicate laser the frictional and electrostatic retardation compared to the shaft counters. Means ki what is that? Shape. What is the shape behind of the separation points? Means ki as according to molecular weight is going to be less, the separation is very higher, very far to the well, right? Therefore, a globular protein move faster than the fibrous protein. The globular protein example, hemoglobin, the molecular weight compared to the fibrous protein is very higher. So, the higher is a nearby separate and a lower molecular weight is separated by far from to the well. Next one. Now, let us talk about the types of the electrophoresis. What are the types of the electrophoresis? The first one, electrophoresis. There are the basic two types. First one, free electrophoresis, and second one, zone electrophoresis. And out of them, in your chapter, in your biochemistry, we are only focusing on to the gel electrophoresis. We have to only studied about the gel electrophoresis. How it's work, what the reasons, what are the principles behind of them, we are talking about them. There are free electrophoresis have the two types, microelectrophoresis and the moving boundary electrophoresis. Second one, zone electrophoresis have the three types, paper electrophoresis, cellulose acetate electrophoresis and the gel electrophoresis. We are focusing on to the gel electrophoresis. Paper electrophoresis, this is the first type. It is the form of the electrophoresis that is carried out on a filter paper, which are carried out onto the filter paper, and this technique which is useful for separations of small charged molecules such as amino acids and the small proteins. Means ki it is the form of the electrophoresis which is carried out on filter paper, which are carried out onto the filter paper, and this technique which is useful for separation of the small charge, means ki a small charged particles, the molecular weight is very less, and such as amino acids, obviously the amino acids and small proteins, these are the separated by the paper electrophoresis. Next one, filter paper. This is the type of the paper electrophoresis. It is stabilizing media. First of all, a stabilization buffer solutions which are there. We can use Whatman filter paper, the number is different, and the cellulose acetate filter paper or the chromatographical paper we are used for the separation of the paper electrophoresis. A Partius power pack electrophoretic cell that contain the electrodes, means ki positive and negative, anode and the cathode. Buffer reservoirs, support for the paper, transparent insulating cover which are used for the apparatus, means ki a instruments. What are the requirement for the separation of the electrophoresis? Next one, sample application. The sample may be applied as a spot or as a uniform straight, means ki sample by the about the 0.5 centimeter in a diameter, or as a uniform streak. Uniform means ki sample applications uniformly which are separated. Electrophoretic run. The current which is switched on after the sample has been applied to the paper and the paper has been equilibrated with the buffer, means ki where the solutions of the buffer which are used, the paper equilibrated applied, means ki the buffer solutions which is going to be neutral whenever the running portions which are used as in a buffer form, right? The types of the buffer used depends upon the types of the separation, means ki the types of the buffer which is depends on the types of the separation, how to be separated by the Whatman filter paper, which is by the positive or the negative factor. Once removed, the paper is dried in a vacuum oven, which is detected and quantitative assay, Minsky, which are first be used once removed after the completion of this mechanism, paper which is going to be dried. This is compulsory into the paper electrophoretic factor. Next one, detection and the quantitative assay. To identify unknown components in the resolved mixture of the electrogram may be compared with the another electrophotogram on which standard components have been electrophores under identical conditions, means on which standard components have been electrophorogram under the identical conditions. Physical properties like fluorescence, ultraviolet absorptions or radioactivity which are exploited for the detection. For the quantitative assay which is compared by the another electrogram, standard components which are under identical factor, physical properties like fluorescence, ultraviolet absorptions or radioactivity which are exploited for the detection. Next one, the gel electrophoresis, whatever we are studied, this is your syllabus for topic. Let us focus on it. It is a technique used for the separation of deoxyribonucleic acid or protein molecules according to their size and electrical charge using an electrical current applied to the gel matrix. Means ki this technique which is used for the separation of the DNA and the RNA, means ki in the protein factor, which are according to their size and the electrical charge, which are using an electrical current, means ki electrical current which are going to be applied over for the gel matrix. Gel matrix means ki whatever we are used for the gel, agar-agar gel, SDS, Page method, whatever method, this what is called as agar-rose gel, what is called as the sodium dodecyl sulfate, which is called as the Page, we are for the one by one we are studying. This is the type of the separated 2D dimensional agar-rose gel electrophoresis name. What is the gel? Now let's focus on it. What is called as the gel? The gel is a cross-linked polymer whose composition and porosity which is chosen based on the specific weight and porosity of the target molecules. What is called as the gel? The gel is the cross-linked polymer. Polymer means ki protein polymer whose compositions and porosity which is chosen based on the specific weight, which is chosen by the specific weight, and porosity. What are the porosity? Means ki which is depends on to the concentrations of the gel. What the type of the concentrated gels which we are taken? This is most important, porosity of the target molecules. Types of the gel. How many type of the gels is that? Agar-rose gel and polyacrylamide gel. There is the two types of the gel which are used into the gel electrophoresis. Now we are aware about the gel. What is called as gel? Next one. Now agar-rose gel. Agar-rose gel is a highly purified, uncharged polysaccharide derived from to the agar, means ki which is highly purified, uncharged which is neutral, polysaccharide derived from to the agar, which is derived by the agar powder or agar algae, used to separate macromolecules such as the nucleic acid, large protein and protein complexes, means ki which are used to separate by the macromolecules such as the nucleic acid, large proteins and protein complexes. These are the types of the protein which are used by the separated by the agar-rose gel. It is prepared by dissolving 0.5% agar-rose in a boiling water and allowing it to cool for the 40 degrees centigrade, means ki which is prepared by the dissolving 0.5% agar-rose into the boiling water and allowing it to cool at the 40 degree centigrade. It is fragile because of the formation of a weak hydrogen bonds and hydrophobic bonds, which is very fragile. Fragile means ki the hydrogen bonding factor and the formation of the weak hydrogen bonds which are made by the weak hydrogen bond and hydrophobic bond means ki which are hydrophobic affections with the water molecules, which is called as hydrophobic bonds. See, this is the solid state. This is the 40 degrees centigrade, 100 degrees centigrade, which is going to be converted into the original form. This is the initial gel, and again these are the final gel structure. This is the bonding. They are some basic structure here to identified by this figure. Next one, polyacrylamide gel. The commonly used components by acrylamide monomer, ammonium persulfate, tetraethylene diamides means ki tamates, andes and methyl and by acrylamide. This is the types of the gel which are used by the polyacrylamide gel. These free radicals activate acrylamides monomers, including them to react with other acrylamide monomer, forming the long chain. Means ki these are the free radicals activate the acrylamide monomers. Monomers means ki single units, including which is reacted with the other acrylamide monomers. One monomer attached to the other acrylamide monomers and forming the long chains. This is polyacrylamide gel, which is used to separate most proteins and small oligonucleotides because of presence of the small pores, which is used to separate most of the proteins and the small oligonucleotides because of the presence of the small pores, which are passing by this porous by the agarose factor. Electrophoresis of the protein. The most commonly used technique for the separations of protein is sodium dodecyl sulfate polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis. This is the full form of the SDS patch. This is the full form of the patch, another separated protein media. Right. Process, remember over there here students, this is only the 2D dimensional electrophoresis. Process. Protein sample is first boiled for 5 minutes in a buffer solutions containing SDS and beta mercaptoethanol. Means how to be prepared electrophoretic factor. The protein sample which is first boiled for the 5 minutes in a buffer solutions containing by the SDS and beta mercaptoethanol. Protein gets denatured and opens up into roll shaped structure. Means ki protein which is going to be gets denatured and opens up into the roll shaped structures. The sample buffer contains bromophenol blue. This is the tracking dye, and also which is the self isotyping means ki luminescent dye which are used mixed with the sample. So due to of that reason, after the separations by the 2D gel electrophoresis, ultra instruments means ki ultra trans illuminator instruments through we can identify by the bands by the luminescent effect. Okay, the sample buffer contains bromophenol blue, which is the tracking dye used the sucrose or the glycerols, which is used to dyes with the sucrose and the glycerols, either sucrose either glycerol. Before the sample is loaded into the main separating gel, a stacking gel is poured on the top of the separating gel. Obviously, which is sample which is loaded with the sample means ki the bromophenol blue which is mixed with the separated sample, then after which is tracking by into the buffer solutions. Okay. Current which is going to be switched on now, and the negatively charged protein SDS complex is now continue to move towards to the anode. Why? Because anode and cathode which are positive and negative which are going to be started over by the electric current, they pass through the separating gel and the protein separate owing to molecular shivering properties of the gel. Shivering means ki vibratory factor by positive to negative, negative to positive, which is passes by and separated the molecules. Whatever we are given to the sample, whatever type of the samples which are using, and separations which is used by the electrophoretic current. When the dye reaches the bottom of the gel, the current is turned off. Means ki dye when reaches to the bottom of the gel, the current which is going to be turned off. Gel is removed from between the glass plates and shaken in appropriate stain solutions. Means ki gel then after removed by the into the glass slide, means ki, and shaken into the appropriate stain solutions. Next one, blue colored bands are observed under the UV rays. Means ki blue color bands, this is why, because of the separated factor and with the use of the ultraviolet rays which are absorbed by the bromophenol blue, which is a tracking dye. This is the reason behind which are observed into the blue color. A continuous buffer system has only a single separating gel and uses the same buffer in the tanks and the gel. Means ki the continuous buffer system which is going to be single is separating by the gel and uses the same buffer in the tanks and the gel. In a discontinuous system, a non-restrictive large pore gel called the stacking gel which is layered on the top of the separating gel. Example, SDS, patch, electrophoresis, which are the discontinuous system and non-restrictive large pores, means ki large pore gel. The concentration of the gel which is less, the pores is going to be larger. The concentration of the gel which is higher in the formation in the means of that, the pore size which is very less. Example, SDS patch, which is the electrophoretic factor. Buffer system, which is the 2D dimensional of the gel, whatever made by the SDS patch or the agarose gel, where this is put it down into the buffer, and the buffer which is one type of the vehicle to transfer the electric current into the 2D electrophoresis factor. Next one, the resolution obtained in a discontinuous system is much greater than that obtained in a continuous one. However, the continuous system is easier to set up. The resolutions which is obtainable by the discontinuous system, which is much greater than that obtainable in a continuous ones. However, the continuous system is easier to set up. Why? Continuous means ki current a passageway which is continuously there due to of that region positive and negative factor through the separated protein which are appear. Next one, this is the steps. This takes 2 to 3 hours. How its process and mechanism takes time? 2 to 3 hours. After the gel has set, glass plates are priced apart. Means ki after the setting down, the glass plate, the plastic bits which are going to be separated right now. Electrodes wicks are laid along the long length of each side of the gel. Potential difference which is the applied, the potentiality difference which is applied, means ki positive negative potentiality factor by the buffer solution. Amorphites from a pH gradient between the anode and the cathode. Obviously, the change of the pH of the buffer which are not going to be changed. The neutral buffer solutions which is required and stable, which is amorphites, means ki the using of the buffer solutions which is very stable. The power is then turned off. Samples applied by laying on gel filter paper soaked into the sample. Samples whatever applied which is laying onto the gel filter paper soaked by the sample. Then after, voltage is again applied for the 30 minutes. Means ki voltage which is again applied for the 30 minutes. Proteins have positive charge will migrate to the cathode. Obviously, positive which is migrated by into the negative force, and the charged particle negatively protein will migrate towards the anode, which is become stationary when they reaches isoelectric point. Isoelectric point means ki highest peak of the point, which is isoelectric point. The gel is washed with the trichloroacetic acid, means ki the gel which is going to be washed by the trichloroacetic acid after the completion of the mechanism, after the separation of the protein. This precipitates the proteins and allows smaller ampholytes to be washed out, means ki whatever ampholytes means ki stable particles, means ki buffer solutions particles before lifting from to put it down into the buffer solutions, after wash with the thiochloroacetic acid, gel is stained with the Comes's brilliant blue, means ki which is the one solution name which is used, the gel which is stained with the Comes's brilliant blue, then after which is destained. Destained means ki which are destained. See, this is the diagrammatic factor which are observed here. These are the first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 samples we are taking down, and whatever isoelectric point of a mixture of the protein, that will be going to be, that would be separated by the electrophoretic current. See here these bands to indicated that the different types of the protein which are going to be separated into the different molecular weight of the facts. Next one. See, this is the 2D gel electrophoresis which are stained by this stain. Okay. Here I am taking down of some pics here. This is the settled 2D dimensional of the gel electrophoresis. Here this is the well. Sample which is going to be loaded over here. Whatever, how many type of the samples over there? 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever type of the samples you have to load it by this micropipette, and this electrophoretic stable this a gel, put it down into the buffer solution, buffer system, and start the electric current and separated by the samples by this buffer solution. Okay.